Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This explanation will help you understand how the model answer effectively addresses the email task. If you need more time to read the full answer, feel free to pause the video now. The email successfully covers all three required points. It clearly describes the new activity by suggesting a coding club for children. It then explains why this activity would be beneficial, mentioning problem-solving and logical thinking skills. Finally, it asks about the process. For new programs, it does this by inquiring about forms I need to complete or a possible meeting. The email is well organized. It starts with a polite greeting, "Dear Community Center Director." It also clearly states the reason for writing in the first paragraph. The body paragraphs discuss the suggestion and its benefits, followed by questions about the next steps. The tone is polite and respectful, which is appropriate for writing to a director. Notice the use of simple linking words like firstly and secondly to structure the points about benefits. The words engaging and essential are good examples of slightly more advanced vocabulary that fit well. These words help to make your writing more descriptive. This explanation will look at why the model answer for option A is a strong response. If you want to read the answer again, you can pause the video at any time. The response clearly states its choice in the first sentence. I believe that option A, installing new playground equipment, is the better choice. It then provides clear reasons. For example, it explains that new equipment would enhance the park and is essential for children's development. The writer supports these reasons with details, such as the current equipment being old and unsafe. The organization is logical. It starts with an introduction that states the preference. The body paragraphs present two distinct reasons with supporting details. It concludes by briefly acknowledging the other option and restating the choice. The tone is polite and persuasive, which is suitable for a survey response. Helpful linking words like firstly, secondly, and therefore are used to connect ideas smoothly. The words modern and essential are good examples of B2 vocabulary that add strength to the argument without being too complex. They show a good command of language. A practical tip for beginners is to always clearly state your chosen option at the very beginning of your response. Then, dedicate a paragraph to each of your main reasons. This helps keep your answer focused and easy to understand. Let's examine why the model response for option B effectively answers the survey question. Remember, you can pause this video if you need more time to review the text of the answer. This response clearly indicates its preference by stating, I would choose option B to create a community garden. It offers strong support for this choice with at least two well-explained reasons. For instance, en mead is po warinchiku do. It mentions that a garden provides a valuable opportunity for residents and can foster connections between neighbors. These points are elaborated with examples, like growing vegetables and sharing tips. The structure of the answer is clear and effective. It begins by stating the chosen option. Then, it uses separate paragraphs to detail each main reason, making the arguments easy to follow. The conclusion briefly contrasts the choice with the alternative and reaffirms the preference. The tone is thoughtful and community-minded. The writer uses linking words such as firstly, secondly, and therefore to guide the reader through the arguments. The vocabulary includes appropriate B2 stretch words like valuable and foster, which enrich the response. These words are used correctly and naturally.